Solana NFT and price prediction. Why Solana, with the token SOL, will be valued at $45 US by the end of 2022 before growing to $166 by 2025, and why holding onto the stock until 2030 may provide the greatest return. Will there continue to be power outages in Solana? Is SOL in danger because of the Bitgert blockchain? Is this the time to buy Solana? What will Solana be worth by 2025 and 2030? Well, let's get to all your answers. Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to discuss Solana NFT and its price predictions. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos. And let's begin. CoinDesk says that Solana is the fastest cryptocurrency out there because it can handle 2,700 transactions per second. Because of this, Solana has been able to get rid of one of the biggest reasons why crypto isn't widely used as a currency around the world. This brings people closer to a common, decentralized financial system. Solana could one day compete with Visa credit cards as a common way to pay because it has low fees, little traffic, and quick processing times. Even though the stablecoin Tether is now available on Solana, SOL is still the native coin of the network and is not tied to the Tether. For some investors, the fact that Solana is not as decentralized as networks such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano might be seen as an advantage, while for others it can be seen as a disadvantage. Solana uses the more efficient proof-of-stake technology, just like Cardano. This means miners can get more coins based on how many they have already mined. Proof of history is also used to make sure that transactions happen in the right order. POH increases the speed of the network, and proof of stake keeps it running smoothly. Solana's blockchain is also at the front of the pack when it comes to transactions with non-fungible tokens. Solana is home to many NFT marketplaces like Metaplex, Solana Art, and Magic Eden, which are used by a lot of people. Solana is liked by NFT traders because it is flexible and has low fees. When it comes to NFT transactions, the blockchain is giving Ethereum a run for its money. Is this the time to buy Solana? In light of all of this, it is safe to state that the Solana blockchain is highly effective and very stable, and it provides investors with cheap transaction costs. As far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, the combination of these elements makes the coin the potential to be a strong long-term investment. SOL is trading at a price that is closer to its lows than it has been in the past, which may make it a decent buy. According to data provided by Coinbase.com, the vast majority of Solana's trading activity consists of purchases, with only 4% of investors engaging in sales. Always keep in mind that the value of Bitcoin is notoriously unstable. This applies to all cryptocurrencies. Never risk more money than you can afford to lose when you invest. In addition, you should always take a long-term view of your investments in order to maximize your returns, which is especially important in the cryptocurrency market. So, what's the worth of Solana right now? Solana has a market cap of $11.1 billion, which makes it the 9th largest cryptocurrency. It is bigger than Polkadot and Polygon, but smaller than Cardano, according to CoinMarketCap. Right now, SOL is a long way from its high point of just under $260, which could mean that now is a good time to buy. But it is important to keep in mind that even though the price has been pretty stable over the last few months, it has been going down so far in 2022. The question is whether or not Solana will go up over time. Some experts think that SOL will start to go up in 2022. All of this makes me wonder how much Solana will be worth for the rest of 2022. And in 2030, how much will Solana be worth? What is the price prediction of Solana for 2022? Some experts think that Solana will go up a lot in 2022. Gov Capital thinks it'll be worth $124 by the end of the year. This is a very optimistic estimate. CoinGate thinks that SOL will be worth $150 by the end of 2022. Not all analysts see significant gains for Solana this year, however. CoinPrice forecasts that Solana would be worth $33.74 by the middle of the year. Now they say it'll be worth $54.60 by the end of the year. What are the future predictions for Solana for 2025 and 2030? According to the consensus of the group of financial technology experts polled by Finder.com, the value of Solana will increase to $45 by the end of 2022. The expert group believes that the value of SOL will be approximately $166 in the year 2025 and will then skyrocket to $512 by the year 2030. Compared to the survey done in January 2022, when the panel thought SOL would be worth $222 by the end of this year, their prediction predictions have gone down. When looking even further into the future, the panel's predictions for both 2025 and 2030 in July are also considerably more pessimistic than they were in January. Back in January, the panel anticipated that SOL would reach $486 in 2025 and $1,267 by 2030. Will Solana still be affected by power outages? Due to the fact that SOL is currently operating on a test net before the introduction of the Solana mainnet, one of the primary concerns that it faces is stability. 69% of our panelists anticipate that SOL will continue to experience power outages, despite the fact that the Solana mainnet is expected to put an end to power interruptions in the network. Only 6% of respondents believe that SOL will resolve the issue. A few of the panelists drew attention to the fact that outages are negatively affecting SOL's success. Patrick White, the CEO of Bitwave, is fairly negative about the longevity of SOL. He stated that he's keeping a watch on Solana, but it's the only blockchain that consistently experiences severe outages, which just isn't possible for a financial system. In other words, White believes that SOL will not survive. On the other hand, Justin Hartzman, CEO of CoinSmart, believes that SOL will be successful in the future as a result of its adoption in the NFT industry. He believes Solana has been successful in constructing a robust NFT ecosystem in spite of the interruptions. Does Bitgert's blockchain pose a risk to SOL? Despite the fact that the majority of our panelists are concerned about the future of SOL, the vast majority of them do not believe that SOL will be dethroned by the Bitgert blockchain, which is a staking platform and a decent exchange. In fact, 67% of them believe that SOL will not be dethroned. 20% of people believe it will take place over the next 1 to 3 years, and 10% believe it will take place within the next 5 years, thanks to the Bitgert blockchain. Before we move further to conclusion, I just want to let you guys know that we are building a strong community where we give you every single update on the crypto market, so if you want to be a part of this family, then do hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get back to our topic. Solana is often regarded as the blockchain with the quickest transaction times and has an exciting future ahead of it as its technology continues to evolve. Solana is currently ranked as the 9th largest cryptocurrency according to its market cap, and its popularity is only increasing. It enjoyed a significant rise in value in 2021, but then in 2022 it fell along with the rest of the market. Solana was ranked as one of the top 4 cryptocurrencies that may be worth investing in during the month of March 2022 by Go Banking Rates. Since then, there's been a considerable decrease in the price, which, if the forecasts for its future growth are accurate, will make it an incredible bargain. However, you should also take in mind the forecasts that indicate the price of Solana will continue to fall, which will essentially make the currency worthless. So, where else do you invest your money? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.